out in IXL, CC4, changes in mean, median, mode, and range. So you can see it says, look at the set of 8 numbers. By how much would the range increase if the number 1 was added to the set? So remember, range is the difference between. Difference means subtraction. So, here we have our numbers here. And okay, I say, what is the biggest number? Well, the biggest number is 6. And right now, that the smallest number is 2. So right now, the range is 4 because 6 minus 2 equals 4. But what they're saying is that, okay, what if we put a number 1 in this set? So, okay, if I had a 1 now into my set, well, 6 is still my biggest number, but 1 is now my smallest number. So I'd say, okay, 6 minus 1 equals 5. And again, I'm not putting 5 as an answer. It says, by how much would the range increase? So from 4 to 5 is a change of 1. So where these ones, I always recommend kind of writing down 2 examples so that you can see the difference of these. That's why these ones are hard. You have to do it twice. They take a little bit longer. That's okay. Okay, for this one, it says, look at the list of 7 numbers. So by how much would the mean decrease if the number 2 replaced the number 9 in the set? So for this one, I'm going to show you how to do this on your calculator. Remember, in mean is when you add and divide. You add and divide for the mean. So I'm going to do 1 plus 2, 91611, plus 9 plus 1, come on, plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. So I have, I'm going to add those up, and I'm going to divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide by 7, which gets me to 3. So again, I know that I'm starting with a 3. Okay, so it's saying what happens if we go back here. It's saying what happens if the number 2 replaced the number 9. So instead of this 9 right here, I'm going to put a 2 instead. So what we can do is we can kind of look and see what we have. So instead of 9, I'm going to put 2. So plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. So I get 14. And I still have the same amount of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7, which is 2. So I went from 3 to 2. Now again, 2 is not my answer. That's a common mistake that people make. 2 is not my answer, but it says by how much would the mean decrease? So I went from 3 to 2, which means it went down by 1. So again, with these ones, they take a little bit more time because you have to do them 2 times, not just once. Okay, I'm going to jump a level. Okay, this one is a mode question. Remember, the mode is the one that you see the most. So what it's saying is saying by how much would the mode decrease if the number 42 replaced the number 88? So again, what I'm saying is, okay, what is the mode right now? Well, the mode right now, as I have it before making any changes, is 42. Okay? But I'm saying, okay, what if this 88 changed to be a 42? So it would be 42 and then so forth. Well, notice for the mode, it does not change. For some of these, it might change, but it's at 42. It's staying at 42. So what that's saying is how much would it decrease? It's decreasing by 0. Let's see if we can find a median one. Come on. Now this one, I'm not going to go into that one because I want to see, that's in the 90s. I'd prefer if you get to 90s first. And then if you have questions with that, just let me know and I can go over that. But we'll try to get everybody to 90 first. So this one, last one I'll do is by how much would the median increase if the number 59 replaced the number 31 in the set? So with the median ones, it's really important to do them 2 times, especially for median, to write it out. So we have 58, 14, 85, 47, 16, and 25. So here on my board, I have all the numbers. Now remember with median, it's really important that when we do this, we order them from least to greatest. So what I'm going to do is, okay, I start with my smallest number, and that's 14. So I like to kind of cross it off on the top, and I say, okay, here's 14. Next, I have 16. Next, I have 27. And next, I have 31. And next, I have 47. Next, I have 53. Then 58. And lastly, 85. So again, here are my numbers. And again, I start to cross out from the outside, working my way in. Now, for one like this, I say, okay, I have 2 numbers in the middle. And the way that we can do that is when we have 2 numbers in the middle, we can add them together. So I'm going to do 31 plus 47. And I'm going to divide that by 2 because I'm finding the halfway point. So I get 39. So I'm going to kind of write that up here in the corner just so I have that. So I have 39 is kind of where I start. Again, that's not my answer. I'm going to have to do this 2 times. So for the second one, I'm saying by how much would the median increase if the number 59 replaced the number 31? So instead of 31, I'm going to have 59. Now, I'm going to keep these up here, but I'm going to redo mine one at the bottom and start over. So I have 14, and I know that I'm going to have like kind of 2 X's here. So 14, 16, 27. What's next? I have 47. I have 53. 58. 59 now. Again, that's different. And 85. So this is definitely one that you're going to do on paper. It's going to be hard, not on paper. So again, finding the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So again, now I have 2 numbers in the middle. For some people, you might know right away what it is because it's kind of like the halfway point. But if you're not sure, you could say, okay, 47 plus 53 divided by 2 gives me 73.5. Is that right? 47 plus 53. All right, weird. Okay. I knew it was 50. I don't know, something my calculator is doing something weird. So now it is 50. So notice on the corners I kind of have those both there. So again, I'm not asking for what it is now. I'm saying by how much does it increase. So if you're not sure what this is in your head, you can always, to find the difference between the two, you could always subtract them. So you could say 50 minus 39, which gives me 11. So hopefully that's right. I think it is. Oh, goody. So that's where I'm at with this. I hope that it was helpful. Again, message me on Google Classroom. If you are struggling with a specific IXL, like, Mr. Bonham, I need help with this, I will make another video for you because if you're having trouble with it, I'm sure it's not just you. I can do these pretty easily for you, and I'm hoping that they're helpful. And feel free to email me, message me, and I will post this on Classroom.